High Court Judge Justice Lawrence Mugambi today sentenced the Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli for 6 months in prison for contempt of court. Masengeli was found guilty of contempt after he snubbed 7 court summons to explain the whereabouts of 3 missing persons who were abducted in Kitengela.
I want to pledge to work within the rule of law and as per the Constitution.
From enforcer to offender, this is the story of Gilbert Masengeli, the Acting Inspector General of Police, who will now find comfort in his new home behind the prison cells, at least for the next 6 months, after the High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi sentenced the Acting Police IG for 6 months in prison for contempt of court. Justice Lawrence Mugambi ordered Masengeli to submit himself to Commissioner General of Prisons without fail, with clear instruction to Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki to take all steps to ensure he serves his sentence.
Mr. Masengeli is ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility to commence serving sentence of the imprisonment imposed. In the event that he does not submit himself to the Commissioner General of Prison Service as ordered, the Cabinet Secretary for the National Interior must take all steps that are necessary and permissible in law to ensure Mr. Gilbert Masengeli is committed to prison to commence serving the sentence imposed on him.
The defiant Masengeli gave 7 court summons a wide berth. The police boss was required to appear in court to explain the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of Jamil Longton Hashim, his brother Aslam Longton, and Bob Michemi Njagi, who were abducted on August 19th this year in Kitengela. The 3 missing persons are believed to be abducted by police officers. Masengeli, however, has another one moment of redemption, provided he appears in court within the next 7 days to shed light on the whereabouts of the 3 missing persons.
The court, nevertheless, finds it desirable to impose this sentence as a coercive order as opposed to a punitive order. In that regard, Mr. Masengeli may avoid serving this sentence, and therefore, in that regard, the court shall suspend this sentence for 7 days only. The Acting Inspector General of Police can redeem himself and comply by availing himself before this court in person to answer to the issues he has been avoiding. In default, the sentence shall automatically become effective.
Whether the Acting Police IG will present himself in court within 7 days as directed or proceed to serve his 6-month sentence remain to be seen. For now, it's a judgment no one is making. Auma Evans for KUTV, Nairobi.